Afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. It's a Monday and a lot of people, a lot of you are here. Some are on vacation and I know some are here for their pilgrimage. Maligayang pagdating po sa Manila Cathedral. And we are also blessed that as you visit the Manila Cathedral, in front of you is the pilgrim icon of our Mother of Perpetual Help from Baclaran Church. And she will continue to be with us as we celebrate our month of the Holy Rosary. In today's Gospel, my dear brothers and sisters, the leader of the synagogue, someone who is competent to the rules of worship and of the synagogue life, noted what Jesus did to this woman who for 18 years was crippled by the bad spirit. And he used the words, "There are 6 days when work should be done. Come on those days to be cured, not on the Sabbath day." These words addressing to the people who witnessed the miracle of this woman's healing. Take note of what this leader of the synagogue used. Work. There are 6 days that work should be done. Ang tingin niya sa ginawa ni Jesus ay isang trabaho. Pero mga minamahal na kapatid, malinaw kay Jesus na hindi naman trabaho ang kanyang ginawa. But what is clear for Jesus, what He did was ministry. The ministry of healing. The ministry of being there for this woman, supporting her, and eventually raising her up from her iniquity and of his infirmity. Such is a beautiful awakening for all of us, my dear brothers and sisters. That ministry knows no time. Ministry is every day. You need not to be a priest or a religious to say that I am in a ministry. But presence is ministry. Saying kindness over the social media, over people, over our exchanges of conversation, that is ministry and that is for every day. Supporting each other as husband and wife, that is ministry, that is every day. Doing your job well as a student, as a worker, that is ministry and that is for every day. Encouraging each other when it seems that we are depressed, anxious, and our energy is going down. Our words of affirmation, our kindness is but ministry, and it is every day. We look to all our actions not enslaved by seeing it only as a work. Kasi baka kung trabaho ang tingin natin sa mga bagay-bagay na ito, baka lagi tayong humihingi ng kapalit and sometimes it might bring to time-bound experiences. But our everyday life is but ministry. It knows no time. It is every day. It is life-changing. It raises people up from their infirmities, from their weaknesses, so that they too can give glory to God.